Meaning of eureka moment.
Eureka moment.
Eureka moment.
Eureka moment.
Eureka moment. A eureka moment is a sudden realization or discovery that comes after a period of intense thought or problem solving. It is often accompanied by a feeling of excitement and satisfaction as the puzzle pieces fall into place. This phrase is typically used to describe a breakthrough in scientific or creative endeavors, but it can also apply to personal or professional situations. The result of a eureka moment can be a new invention, a solution to a long-standing problem, or a fresh perspective on a difficult issue.